Hello and welcome. My name is Rana and you're watching Seldan. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a video into your design landing page. So let's get started. To embed a video on the landing page, drag and drop the basic option from the left menu to your design page. And then click on the edit option, which is blue. Now go to the video page on YouTube or any other desired sites and copy the iframe of that video. To change the size of the video, you can change the width and height values. For example, I enter 1080 for width and 720 for height. Don't forget to click Save from the top menu to view any changes live. Well, here you can click View Live Page to enter the site page. As you can see, the embedded video has been added here. Now I'm going to change the size of the video. Here I have the size of the video and I will see that the video has become smaller. Note that in the HTML editor, sometimes you may not see the change after copying and pasting the code on the design page. In this case, hit the Save option and see it in the live mode. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.